Greetings, police forces of the world. We are anonymous. Since the beginning of the Occupy movement, we have watched as police violence toward the otherwise peaceful protesters has steadily increased. Your brutalization of our citizens is both unjust and uncalled for. Your raids on our encampments and the illegal actions of corrupt officers within your ranks will no longer go unpunished. Any officer found to be guilty of these crimes against peaceful protesters will be doxxed and have their personal information released to the public. It is time you take a dose of your own medicine and stop hiding behind your badge. UC Davis Campus Police Lieutenant John Pike. Records Unit Manager. You pepper sprayed a crowd of peaceful students sitting on the ground. You are a coward and a bully. A tool of the corrupt. A puppet for your masters. Citizens of the world, flood his home phone at 530-752-3989. Flood his cell phone at 530-979-0184. Flood his email at japikeii@ucdavis.edu. Flood his home with pizza deliveries and junk mail at 4005 Cowell Boulevard, apartment number 616, Davis, California 95618. Flood his Skype at japike3. Flood his phones, email, and mailbox to voice your anger. Flood the campus of UC Davis. Flood the streets of the world and stand up for your rights and against injustice. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.